There was an old owl that lived in an oak. Every day, he saw incidents that happened around him. One day, he saw a boy helping an old man carrying something heavy. The other day, he saw a girl shouting at her mother. The more he saw, the less he spoke. As he spoke less, he started to hear more. One day, he heard a woman saying that she saw an elephant jumping over a fence. The other day, he heard a man saying that he had never made one single mistake in his life. The old owl had seen and heard so many things about people. Some people became better, while other people became worse. The more he heard, the less he spoke. And in every day, the owl became wiser. The moral I am telling you here: be like an owl. Hear more, watch more, and speak less. In that way, you will become wiser. Have a lovely day today.